super cute little mini Pillow Tabby 18. This one is in pale lime. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Love it. This one has those beautiful silver hardware. So this is how it would look in me. Just maybe I could insert this. No, I can't. So this is how it would look. It is so cute. It is gorgeous. I just love how cute it is. Very, very soft. So this is how it would look crossbody. On the side, just like in right here in my shoulder. Yeah, this one is adjustable, so you could just adjust it according to your height, according to your desired length. So this one is if you wanted to carry it like this, so you cannot use this on your, you can use it on your arm, but it's really tight. I have a small arm but still really tight. So this is how it would look. Very cute. And the other one, this is the Tabby 26 pillow bag. This is the comparison. Just like this, you could use this on your shoulder, but this one you can't. Okay, so this is these two together, just like this. And both of them are beautiful, gorgeous. Just love it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a comparison between this Coach Pillow Tabby 26. This one is in taffy color. It's gorgeous. And also this Coach Pillow Tabby 18. This one is in lime pale color. Absolutely beautiful. So let's start with the measurements first. So the Pillow Tabby 26, actually this one measures 10 1/4 inches on its length, 6 inches on its height, and 3 inches on its width. Whereas this Tabby 18 measures 7 1/4 inches on its length, 4 inches on its height, and 2 1/2 inches on its width. So obviously, as you guys can see right here, the 26 is so much bigger compared to the 18. And also there's a difference with the price as well. So the Tabby 26 is $495 before tax, whereas the Tabby 18 is $395 before tax. So yeah, both of these are gorgeous. And also this one came in with different colors as well as this 18. But for some reason, guys, I know that it is so hard to compare this together, both of these together. I mean, we knew that this is more practical and this one is just like, I don't know. I mean I'm not sure if this is the most impractical thing that I have purchased in my that I've added in my collection, because I know I have a smaller purse than this, which is the Jackie Moo, and that one is priced like over, I think, $500. And look at this. I mean, when I went to the store, pretty much like, oh wow, it got my attention right away. Like seriously, wow, this is so cute. I know it is tiny, it is small, and I know I can't put a lot in it, but pretty much as long as it would fit my phone, my card holder, and my keys, and I am good to go. And also another thing why I purchased this and I picked this color, it's because the hardware. I mean, look at the silver hardware. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. That's why, it actually, the color between the lime and the silver hardware blends in perfectly together. I mean, to me, this one is like, look at that right here in the emblem logo. It actually accentuated perfectly. So that's another reason why I picked this. Another reason why I picked this, it's because pretty much more likely, I mean, I can't say no to how cute it is. It is very, very cute. When it comes to being practical, well, I'm probably not gonna have to go to talk about that. It's because obviously it is tiny and you could not fit a lot in it. But well, just having this one of these pieces in my collection, I think I'm fine with it. But I'm not sure if I would be adding more, but I am just totally happy with what I have right now. So well, let's just see what fits in here. I'm just gonna have to show you quickly of what I could fit in here. Like I mentioned, as long as it could fit some of my essentials, I'm good to go. So but I am going to show it to you guys what we could fit in here. So let's start with the phone. So I'm actually using the iPhone SE at the moment. So I'm gonna put this one at the back. That one actually fits perfectly right there, and see, so it fits perfectly. And also my card holder. So this is the card holder that I'm currently using right now. Let me put it here. I could actually, yeah, I can put this one right there. And then yeah. And also I have this key holder. So this is a 4-key holder, and yeah, I could fit this one right here in front with no problems at all. And you still have some rooms for your lipstick and stuff. But let me just put my lipstick here. So this is from, I got this one Christian Dior last Christmas, and I think I could fit, yeah, it could fit right there. And there's still a little bit of room left, guys. So this is how it would look right now, and those are pretty much what I needed for the day, really. So I could put 2 lipstick, but then again, sometimes I am a little bit like conscious just leaving my lipstick like this, because it happened to me in the past that it accidentally opens and it just ruined my interior. So that's how it looks. But yeah, this one, I have an iPhone 7 Plus here, and this one actually fits perfectly as well. So yeah, if you have a larger phone, that would not be an issue at all. This one is made up of a combination of a nappa and smooth leather. So this is very, very stretchy. It's very, very flexible, guys, as you guys can see right there. So let me just try to close it. Yeah, we can close it with no problems at all. It closes perfectly fine. So you could pretty much, you could add one more lipstick inside, and I think you're good to go. So but then again, it is a small purse, it is in a smaller side, so bear in mind that you're only limited to what you could actually bring. But I am like, look at that, as long as it fits some of your essentials right there, things that you needed for the day, and you're good to go. I mean, this is the cutest thing that I have seen at the store. Really cute. Oh my gosh. And I wore this several times, and like, the compliments are all over the place. And also, I have seen quite a lot of people also is actually wearing this. I mean, for $395, you guys would come to look at it, that while it is small, it is impractical. But then again, this one is made up of leather. Really, really high quality leather, inside and out. So definitely, I think $395 US actually justifies for the price itself. And the hardware is beautiful, the top handle, the crossbody handle as well. So now, the other day I wore this, and I actually added a chain. Got a chain right here. This one is in silver, and I think this one works perfectly with the purse itself. Really nice quality. I got this off Amazon. And I'm going to show you. So this is like an embellishment. This is not something that you could actually use it for as a crossbody, but I just really wanted to put some sort of an embellishment on this beauty. So look at that, guys. It is gorgeous. It is perfect. Oh my gosh, I just love this beautiful, beautiful silver chain. I think I have used this. Yeah, you can actually wear this on your shoulder. And this one is a little bit of on a heavy side. So yeah, it is beautiful. Look at that. You could just wear this without this strap right here. Just this one just by itself. You could wear it like that, but I like it. I like this chain strap to hang just like that. It is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. It complements perfectly. That's how I dress up my Tabby 18, and she is beautiful. She's stunningly beautiful just with this chain, guys. So anyway, I think the chain, I got this one for less than 20 US dollars. I'm not 100% sure, but if you're interested, I'm gonna put down the link below on my description, so you guys will be able to purchase it if you wanted to add this. And now let's move on to this Tabby 26, and I think this color is gorgeous. I already have 3 of these. I have the green, black, and taffy. Taffy is actually one of the most beautiful colors from this collection, and it's just like, of course, it actually brings in the spring and summer vibe to this. I love that it has a gold hardware. Very beautiful. And also, yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna have to go over into this detail for this because I have a review on my green color. So if you wanted to know what fits in this, definitely I'm gonna have to put the link right here so that you'll be able to see what fits in this. But this one is also, the difference between these two is like, this one is larger, of course. Both of them actually is made up of a Napa leather and also a combination of smooth leather. This one actually is lined with this beautiful, beautiful leather as well. That's what makes your money worth. It comes with the stub handle, the shoulder strap as well, and this one is much more practical. Of course, it's 495 US dollars. Definitely also justifies the 495 US dollars for the price for this, knowing that this one has 3 compartments. We have the middle compartment that has a zipper that could secure your stuff, and also one right here at the back. So definitely makes your money worth. So the only this one, let me see. Oh, this one is lined with a fabric here. Actually, I wouldn't even mind that this one is lined. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, having it, this one, it's lined right here with leather. It just definitely makes you money worth. Absolutely. So I would definitely gonna highly recommend them. And if you wanted for something that if you want to fit all your essentials from day to night, this is perfect. But if it's just you want it to be more likely like just for the day, if you want to go to run errands, this is perfect as well. And pretty much, like, it is just so hard to compare, really. It's just so hard to compare both because this is the cutest ever. If I were to choose between the two, I would choose this just because it is so cute. It is easy to carry. I mean, it could fit my essentials, then I am good to go. But I know sometimes this one, I find it a little bit bigger though. But of course, it could fit a lot. It could fit a ton. So yeah, it's just all up to you. And you know that this one is made up of leather and definitely makes your money worth. I would highly recommend it. The price is actually pretty good. and I'm not sure if they're going to come up with more colors, but I think this is going to be a Coach permanent collection. And as well as this, I know this one came out with a new color, which is purple. I like the purple, but I didn't like the pewter hardware. If they have it in brass hardware, I might have purchased it, but the pewter hardware, I'm not really a fan of it, unfortunately. But yeah, so yeah, I hope that this video would be helpful and give you a little bit of an idea what you actually wanted. But if you wanted to have or add one of each in your collection, that is perfectly fine. I think that's fair. I'm not just gonna say, oh, get this or get that or whatever. If you can add one of these in your collection and one of these, that would be perfect. You will definitely gonna love it, and you will definitely gonna enjoy it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.